Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So when you open the app, you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. And now you have to select from your gallery that you would like to edit. And when you open one of your projects, you have to click on the edit option, which is the first one on the bottom of the screen. Now this one is a photo, but I have to select the video to show you. And now scroll to the right until you see the reverse option. Click on it, and now you can see that the video is reversed. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.